The cell phone mount arrived undamaged and in good shape. It was packaged in a Ziploc bag within a cardboard box. The phone cradle is lined with a non-slip material. It not only keeps your phone from sliding around, but also protects it from scratches. The mount is machined out of aluminum, so it is stronger and more durable than some of the cheaper products made out of plastic or nylon. The cradle can be pivoted and tilted up and down and side to side. The base of the mount supports different mounting configurations to the tripod. Let's go ahead and mount the unit to the tripod. Mounting is straightforward. The thumb screw on the tripod is simply threaded into the base of the phone mount. Now let's attach the phone to the mount. There are no tools required. You just press the phone down into the spring-mounted arm, then tilt the phone into the upper arm. The spring pressure, along with the non-slip material, keeps the phone in place. When positioning the phone, make sure that you don't obstruct the phone's camera lens or flash. As you can see, the phone's entire screen is visible during filming, and the phone can tilt and pivot on the mount. Loosen or tighten the red thumb screw to adjust the amount of pressure required to pivot or tilt the phone. Removing and reinstalling the phone couldn't be easier. Once installed in the cradle, if necessary, reposition the phone to avoid pressing any of the buttons along the edges of the phone. So far, I'm happy with my purchase. I give it a thumbs up for craftsmanship, excellent finish, ease of use, and durability.